A number of people spend time on the Play Store searching for various types of applications such as antivirus apps, some of which they hope would prevent their smartphones from getting infected by malware without necessarily doing the simple thing. It is extremely important to be proactive if you want to stay safe on the internet. You might be surprised to know that the successful breaches nowadays have little or nothing to do with directly exploiting a service before an attacker can gain access to your devices. More often than not, users are the weakest links in the whole process. If you give out your details or credentials easily because you see a pop-up ad or a false login screen, then there is no need for any type of sophisticated hacking because you are already making the job very easy and have willingly handed that information over. With such data, the job is done, and that marks the beginning of your digital loss. That information gets fed to the hacker who attempts to break into your accounts. A number of people do not have an idea what it feels like to be hacked. If you've ever been infected with a malware on your device, you will be more concerned about security issues. You can make the job very difficult for hackers who are becoming more sophisticated by the day. Sadly, there isn't a perfect way to avoid this kind of social engineering. You just need to be more proactive. If you want to keep your device and your accounts free from this kind of malware, you're going to need to look before you tap. People always leave unknown sources enabled on their Android devices. We cannot stress this enough, because that is the first step in protecting our devices from the dangers of virus and malware attack in the mobile application landscape. Your Android smartphone does not restrict you from downloading and installing other applications that are not from Google Play Store. That is a great feature. At least you can have access to all other applications. But that is where the problem lies. Little wonder Android smartphones are known for flexibility and openness. Unfortunately, there are very few apps that ask you to enable this feature in order to kickstart the installation process. If you trust the app, you can then go ahead, but remember to disable this feature once the app is installed. The reality is that no matter how tech-savvy you think you are, leaving this particular door open on your smartphone is not advisable. And here is something everyone should do. Click Settings on your device. Scroll to Security. Locate the option labeled Unknown Sources. Uncheck the box and make sure it is turned off. With this done, you'd have blocked one major access to your phone and all of its data. If yours has always been unchecked, then congratulations.